How to attend an interview by the pharmacist to get a job in Gulf and Middle East countries. Most of the pharmacists are asking the query while getting a notification for the interview. So the dress code is very important. First impression is the best impression. It should be the formal dress and the hair and it should be good nature. And second thing is the language is very important, and customer relation, how to communicate. Communication is very important. Subject knowledge also somewhat. Most of the employees conducting a subject oriented step, and then the CEO level test. That means CEO level face to face interview or management level face-to-face interview by the higher authorities, and in that level they will evaluate your communication, customer relation, interpersonal relationship, how to manage the stress, and how to sell the wellness products. Most of the GCC pharmacies are running by selling most of the wellness products, so aware about the wellness products, and you should be a seller. Okay, ethically you are a pharmacist, but in your pharmacy you should be a good seller.